Hello everyone, welcome to our Fitness Gadgets YouTube channel. Today we are going to show you the 5 best treadmills for home use under $500. And these treadmills are the best treadmills for home use. Are you looking for the best under-desk treadmill or the best treadmill for home use under $500? Then this video is for you. So let's take a look at the 5 best treadmills for home use under $500. Before that, by giving a like to the video, you can tell what kind of product review of Fitness Gazette you want to see. You can subscribe to this channel to get the first video of the fitness product so that you will be notified as soon as a new video is uploaded. Number 5. Treadmill Walking Treadmill with Long Handrail for Balance. Extended handrail and safety guarantee. Best treadmill for home for using walking treadmill for elderly. The most important issue is safety. Use these multi-grip handrails that sit along the top, middle, and end of a low-deck treadmill for extra support to prevent falls due to an unstable center of gravity. In the event of an accidental fall, the safety key will drop immediately to disconnect the power supply. No more excuses for not exercising. We want to maintain our mobility as much as possible as we age. But when it comes to staying healthy, bad weather is always the best excuse not to exercise. Own this walking machine for exercise. The weather is no longer a factor. You can walk every day. Ensure that the workout does not damage the knees. A 6-layer thick running belt and a super shock absorption system are used. Easy to operate LCD display. With the best treadmill for running, seniors/relaxers can clearly track all their progress with backlit screens that measure distance walked, calories burned, heart rate, pace and more. They can easily operate our recovery exercise treadmill with simple buttons and no bells and whistles. There are young people at home who want to use it. The home gym treadmill also has 12 preset modes to choose from. Phone and water cup holders are also designed. Strong motor and structure. Walk and jog between 0.5 miles per hour and 5.5 miles per hour using the 2.25 peak horsepower motor on the indoor high weight capacity treadmill. T is one of the best treadmills for home use. The super powerful motor means quieter and more sporty enjoyment. Compared to other common motorized treadmills, this is a 0.1 miles per hour speed increase for better adaptation. Premium materials and stable construction. Supports up to 300 pounds. Suitable for home use. If other family members want to use the treadmill and feel that the armrest is a little restrictive, it can be removed, which does not affect the use, and after disassembly, the treadmill can be folded. What's more, this portable treadmill can be moved from room to room with its transport wheels. The folded size does not take up much space. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Walking Treadmill SFT 7857. Shock absorption. The low step-up height manual treadmill makes exercising easier with its large, 44L x 19.5 inch, running deck that supports up to 295 pounds. The shock absorption technology incorporated in the running deck reduces the impact on the joints while walking or jogging on its surface. Powerful motor. Speed up from 0.6 miles per hour to 5 miles per hour with this indoor treadmill's 2.5 peak horsepower motor. Easily adjust the speed using the console's dedicated buttons for a seamless walking or jogging experience. Transport wheels. This portable treadmill can be moved from one room to another with the front-mounted transport wheels. Its low-profile design makes it easy to store fitness equipment. User-friendly console. Best treadmill under $500. Simple design keeps you focused on your workout. A glance at the console to track your duration, distance, calories burned. Use the mode button to personalize workout goals during each exercise session. Wide handrails. Use multi-grip handrails that sit on the top, middle, and sides of low-deck treadmills for extra support. Maintain a comfortable grip with thick and padded handlebars. Number 3. Treadmill 2-in-1 Under-Desk Treadmill. 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. Treadmill Stroll Light Treadmill is designed as a waking pad treadmill that is used for fast running as well as running treadmill machine, which is convenient to continue exercise while working. 17-inch wide running belt. Among the best treadmills for walking, This treadmill has a wide and stable belt that makes running or walking more freely and easily without getting off track. 5-layer non-slip running belt and built-in silica gel column support will greatly absorb shock. One screen display of exercise data, speed, distance, time and calories in real time, and no need to manually switch the display during exercise. 2-way speed control. Press the button on this walking pad or use the remote controller to change the speed you like. Ultra quiet yet powerful. A powerful 2.5 HP motor provides a large carrying capacity of up to 265 pounds, running up to 7.6 miles per hour with the frame up and walking up to 3.8 miles per hour under the desk via remote control. Non-assembly and space-save design. The walking pad treadmill requires no assembly. The foldable design and transport wheels allow for easy mobility and storage of the portable foldable treadmill. Just fold it up and walk in one easy step. Folded size. 26.4-inch D x 53.1 W x 4.7 H. Walk pad treadmill under desk treadmill. Number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness Premium Treadmill with Auto Incline. Double-deck technology. Among the best treadmills under $500, this treadmill features a double-deck running surface to enjoy stability, benefit from an integrated shock absorption system, enjoy the comfort of a cushioned design, and get unmatched support for low-impact training. 12 incline levels and quick buttons. Enjoy 12 incline options, 0 to 12%, on the treadmill. Achieve fitness goals effortlessly. Enhance your workout effortlessly with the auto incline button. Easily adjust the incline level for a challenging session. Real-time heart rate. Pulse sensor maximizes the effectiveness of your workout. This feature provides real-time heart rate tracking during your exercise, ensuring you maintain optimal intensity, aligning your efforts with your fitness aspirations. Convenient speed button. Quick access to 2 miles per hour, 4 miles per hour, 6 miles per hour, and 8 miles per hour speeds. Discover the versatility of speed, reaching a maximum of 8 mph. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned runner, select the perfect pace effortlessly. Integrated BMI calculator. Stay on top of your fitness journey. Designed for reference, this simple tool will help you track your body composition progress, serving as a useful resource to help you reach your fitness goals. Countdown mode. Stay motivated and on track with the treadmill's digital monitor, offering 3 progress tracking options. You can monitor your workout duration, pace, or calorie burn to keep you aligned with your fitness goals. Built-in speaker. This best budget treadmill can answer calls and listen to music using the built-in microphone and speaker. Includes MP3 cord for direct music. Number 1. Xterra Fitness Premium Folding Smart Treadmill. Best budget treadmill under $500. Large 16 inches by 50 inches walking/running surface accommodates users of many sizes and stride lengths. 110 V cord/outlet power source. LCD silver/not backlit display. The intuitive 5-inch LCD display is easy to read and keeps you updated on speed, incline, time, distance, calories, and pulse. Among the best treadmills for home use, this treadmill features 12 preset programs and 3 manual incline settings, offering unparalleled variety to your workout. Easy pull knob leaves the deck to fold or unfold for convenient storage when not in use.